Hey, this is how to remove and replace the parking lights on a Toyota Rav4, an older model. First, pop open the hood. Once you've popped open the hood, you're gonna go behind this light, and that's the socket you wanna disconnect. That's where the bulb is. Reach in there with your hand. It's this one there. And you're gonna do a twisting motion. It's gonna come out like this. This is what you're gonna do. You're gonna do it like that, then pull it out. When inserting, you're gonna insert it like that and do that. Okay, then just remove your bulb. Get a new one and insert it back in. This is an LED light, so it does have a plus and a minus. Just put it in. If it doesn't work, switch it around. Before reinstalling it, just make sure it's working. Go put on the ignition and start your parking lights. It should go. After you've made sure it works, just reinsert it back in. Remember putting it and twisting it like that. So it's gonna go, this is the front here, so it's gonna go like that and like that. Make sure it's on there good. And move on to the passenger side. It is a lot harder to get here because you have these ducts here. But if you have a small hand, you can do it through here. If not, one option is to remove the headlight, and another option is to remove the inner guard, and you're gonna have access like that. But if you have small enough hands, you can do it. Quarter turn. Okay, when putting it back in, just do that and that. Okay, well, hope this helped. Bye.